Hey, what's going on, everyone? I wanted to invite everyone to my Discord server where we can collaborate, share, and get to know the next best trade. Here's your invite, whoever wants it. I'll try to put that in the description when I get to it. You can also follow me at Steemit, Rusty Trades, at rustysmetals. I'm going to be uploading to Dtube from now on. So eventually I don't want to deal with YouTube anymore. Be a lot easier. And at Mines with Woke1 as my ID. And the reason why I'm coming back, so I think that Bitcoin is making a bottom. Bitcoin. This is Binance coins right now because Coinbase has a longer track record going for Bitcoin. We got a left shoulder, reverse head and shoulders. We got a head, reverse head and shoulders, and we got a right shoulder forming a reverse head and shoulders. So 3 head and shoulders on the longer term. What looks like to me is a probable head, left shoulder, head, and maybe a pop into resistance, a right shoulder coming in, and then a change in trend. So we're going to look at the dailies on these charts. So again, I think there's a reversal coming. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. Nice little pattern. So straight off the bat, look for these reverse head and shoulders. Looks like Cardano has a left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in, 2-bar pattern coming over support. I'm just going to flip through these. Not all of them are reverse head and shoulders. Some of them are long-term consolidation patterns. So watch for the breakouts. I got a price pinch coming on this one. There's a reverse head and shoulders, 2-bar pattern forming on the right shoulder. Nice cup and handle. Watch for the breakout on this handle. That could be a nice one, AGI. That looks pretty nice. I got a left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in, popping across at 34, back into support, 2-bar reversal. Left shoulder, head, 2-bar reversal coming in at support. On and on and on. Some of them I don't know yet. I got thin line of support here on 8 PPC, but had a pop across, 2-bar reversal forming. A longer term. Longer term pattern forming at a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, price pinch coming in. Price pinch is the resistance support lines where price is going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth in a corkscrew, pop. Pretty soon it's going to have to make a decision, up or down. Again, watch those ascending triangles off the bottom. Not sure about this one yet. Some of them are not clear yet, but they are popping across, coming back into support. A little stair step on that one. Not sure about this yet. There's a long-term consolidation. An ascending triangle coming at the end. BCH, Bitcoin Cash, ABC, got a left shoulder, long-term and left shoulder. Head, right shoulder coming in. Watch for a pop across. Same. Watch for these whipsaws as well. Look at the, seeing this a lot. Back and forth, popped through support. 2-bar reversal. Watch for a pop across whipsaw. Right across, whipping everybody's trade. Whipping everybody out of their trade. Just a big old whipsaw, head fake. A lot of it going on. I got 2-bar reversal here. I like this BNB. Binance coin. I'm thinking that this is going to do very well if we get another bull run. Back and forth, ascending. Higher lows, higher highs. Coming across. Watch for a pop. Could be a nice one. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, pop across. 2-bar reversal. Could be a nice pop. Over the 34, into the 34, back into support. 2-bar reversal. Watch for the launch. Oh, look at that, we're missing it. This is my 4th try doing this. I had to give up on YouTube and just go to a screencast. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder popping across. Nicely done. Missed it. Watch for it to come back into support. I'm not sure about this one yet. Bitcoin again. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder popping across. 2-bar reversal. Watch it. Watch it. Could be a nice pop. Could be a few thousand pop. Be nice. Into resistance, back into support. Into resistance, back into support. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You can see resistance coming down. You can see resistance going across from previous lows. And the higher lows coming across. Could be a nice one. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. 2-bar reversal. Watch for those head fakes. A lot of it. A lot of head fakes. A lot of pattern breaks. Lots of bottoms forming. Look at the pop across. We got a head fake here. Head fake here. Step into support. 2-bar reversal. Watch for that. CMT. Pop across. Nice little J curve. Pop. Into support. 2-bar reversal showing. Look at that. Broke below support. 2-bar reversal. Breaking across. Again. Left shoulder. Head. Pop across. Look at that, the calculated move into support. Pop. Boom, 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 boom. Very managed right shoulder. And you got an inverted hammer coming into support. 2-bar reversal. Right over support. Again, ascending triangles. Look at that, we're missing all of them. Took me all day to do this. These are easy spots. Easy, easy. Watch this one popping across. See the J curve? Pop. Calculated into support. 2-bar reversal showing. Look at the hammer. Stay above the hammer for support. Into resistance, back into support, back and forth, pop. Into support. Looks like it broke support levels a little bit, but watch those whipsaws. I'm not sure about that. You know, it's got a flat support line. It does have see what happens. If it follows everybody else's lead, it could just be a nice one. Pop, pop, pop. D&T, same thing. Left shoulder, head, kind of consolidated pop into support. Got a nice little J curve coming off of that. Pop. 2-bar reversal. Just make sure you stay above support. Got a long line of consolidation here. Watch these previous lows. Look at that. Pop. Very nicely done. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Kind of just, it's there, but it's not. But watch the resistance lines. Look at that hammer. Look at the 2-bar reversal. Watch resistance at the previous lows. Could be a nice little pop out of there. Bam. Looks promising. Anything could happen. EDO. Look at the higher lows all the way through. Came into support. Watch for the previous high breaks. Could be nice. Not sure about that one yet, but we do have a 2-bar reversal. I'm going to reverse head and shoulders here. Pop, pop. Calculated into some kind of whipsaw coming across. ENG, that broke yesterday. Good 50% run. Imagine that, huh? That little pop was 50%. Very nicely done. Look at the volume coming in. Look at the hammer. Look at those legs. And left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And then the sling back into resistance, back into support, and it's had that same look. That same, this one's just a different. Right across that resistance. Very nicely done. That's a shorter term look. See, now it has a pop, and now it's doing the managed. Stair step into support. Look at that, higher lows all the way through. Watch for the break across. This could consolidate or whatever it needs to do, but watch the break across. EOS, that looks very, very nice. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder pop, and then the calculated right shoulder coming in. Just a managed takedown. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth into resistance, and then it's going to pop. Look at this pop, calculated, little head, right shoulder, head. Boom. The higher highs and the higher lows, those are accumulation phases, so watch for those at the bottoms here, once they pop across. ETH, that looks very, very nice. So move up, calculated into support. Watch for a reverse head and shoulders to form. As this goes into resistance, comes back into support, and then moves on. See what happens. Another resistance line that looks promising. Left shoulder, head, maybe a pop across, and then a right shoulder right across support. Same. Looks like gold's going to take a hike. Not sure about that yet. Not sure. Another ascending triangle at the bottom. Things are going to get volatile. Pop, pop, calculated into support. Pop, pop, pop. Could be a while, but watch a move across resistance. Same, same, same. Look at that. Back into resistance, back into support, back into resistance. Pop, pop, pop. Could be a nice move. Look at that. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. Watch for a pop across resistance. Take the previous lows, previous highs. Not sure about that yet. There's another one. It's more of a cup and handle, but I could see a left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. And then a nice cup and a handle. Watch for the previous break across resistance lines. Another ascending triangle forming. Watch for those previous lows. Same, same, same. Take your previous lows, previous highs, little balance point right there. Nice little base. Watch it pop across. I like this iota. Talked about this. Watch for a hit into resistance, a little higher lows moving in, accumulation factor. Got to stay above support, but it looks good. Iota. That is a little flat there, but I got a left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. Watch for a pop across resistance. Same, same. I think I traded this last night. Little pop into my resistance line. Resistance is previous highs, previous lows. Here's your previous lows, previous highs. Very nice. There's another one, K and C. Watch for a previous high break. Same. Let's look at a longer term on this one. You can see how the pattern is. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, coming all the way back in. I got left shoulder, head, right shoulder, coming all the way. Pop, pop, pop. Watch for that pattern to form. Look at this. Left shoulder, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, cross support. Could happen at any time. Two bar reversal into resistance, back into support. 2-bar reversal, back into resistance, back into support. 2-bar reversal. Nice hammer into resistance, back into support. 2-bar reversal. It's building. It's building. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, kind of not all there yet, but look at this 2-bar reversal pop already. Ascending triangle, watch for a breakout. SK, that looks good. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder above support. LTC looks good. LTC should do very good the next bull run. Nice 2-bar reversal. Watch for the previous high breaks. Look at that long-term consolidation. 2-bar reversal looks good. All these things are setting up. Here we have into resistance, back into support, higher low. Into resistance, into support, higher low. Pop across. Boom. Into support as the trend starts to change, the 8 over the 34. 2-bar reversal showing on the daily chart. Here's another price pinch. Into resistance, back into support, into resistance, back into support, into resistance. Could happen. That's a nice diamond. I remember when the pennant happened on Bitcoin on I think it was a daily chart pennant, and that's what just kicked it into high gear, and it went all the way to 20,000. And we're talking the pennant was at 1,000 or something like that. Let's see what happens. Lots of good confirmations, lots of probabilities going on. Not sure about this yet, but I do have a 2-bar reversal showing. Not quite, but it's getting there. Watch these J curves all the way down, pop. It's a 2-bar reversal coming out here. Same. All these have the same little thing going on. Higher lows. Watch a break across. There's a nice 2-bar reversal. Looks like I got a new candle, 5 o'clock. So the new candle just opened for the daily charts. Let's see the reverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. They have another chance here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, 2-bar reversal coming in. Watch for those little price pinches. They're in a wedge, you know, coming in, and then it wedges and it pops out with some gusto. Nice accumulation here. Pop coming down, 2-bar reversal, right over support. Nicely done. Left shoulder, head, pop across, 2-bar reversal. Neo looks good. Not sure about that one. We got left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Watch for the whipsaws. It's one of those long-term, drawn out, and then a higher lows into resistance. Looks like it wants to break. Nice little price pinch. Watch these things. I remember last time, oh my goodness, things got real volatile. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, boom, boom, boom. Same. All day long. Pop across the 34, into support. Watch those. Pop across, into support. Something's building. Look at that long term. Oops. Anything can happen, but you've got these little wedges at the bottom here, descending triangles. Look at this nice J curve. It's going to pop. Pop across into support. It looks like a nice little setup. Not sure about that yet, but I got a 2-bar pattern showing. Same. Watch for previous high breaks. Could happen. Nice volume coming in. Same. Over the 34, into support. Watch for a 2-bar reversal. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. Watch where the breaks across. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. Looks good. Same. Look at the higher lows. Breaking into previous lows. Same. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. 2-bar reversal showing. Pop across into support. Nice little setup. Nice little J-curve, what? J-curve pop. Watch for a break across resistance. I've got a 2-bar pattern showing, a little wedge. Watch a break into previous lows. Same. Pop across into support. Pop across into support. Look at that. I forget the candle pattern. I'll think of it next time. Look at that. Pop across, consolidated. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder across. 2-bar reversal showing. Same. Look at the whipsaws. Look at the higher lows. Watch for a previous high break. Salt looks good. That looks really good. Text pattern. Look at this. Steam dollars. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder pop across. 2-bar reversal showing. Right over resistance. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder coming in. 2-bar reversal. Oh, silver taking off. Silver's got a lot of work to do, but looks good. Sky, I bought this yesterday, I think. So I'm waiting for a pop across into previous lows. Gonna hit, I think I had a sell order at 32 just to take my scalp. Same, all the way across. You can see the same thing going on. Look at this. SNN looks like it's gonna pop across. Pop across into support. So you see those quick pops across and then coming into support. So that 8 and 13 can come across, changing trend. Into resistance, back into support. Watch this. Very nice. Same. Into resistance, back into support, 2-bar reversal. Watch the pop. Some of them might not hang on. Need a little bit more work on the short term. Nice volume. So pop across coming into support. These are all the daily charts. So look at that, huh? This looks like a good popper. Low volume popper too. This one's a low volume popper. Any kind of volume comes in on this one. Substratum. I think it'll just boom. Can't wait for those 1000% runs. You know what I'm talking about? Left, head, right over. Same. Nice price pinch. I like this theta for some reason. I just love this. Some volume comes into this bad boy. It could just BAM! Nice J curve. Watch those J curves. Bop! Back into support. Look at the whipsaws. 2-bar reversals. TRX. Look at this high level consolidation. Watch a pop across resistance. Into previous lows. Got a nice little pop on Tron. This one had a good run. Came back into support. Let's see if it'll hold. V-chain. These things are all setting up. Left shoulder, head, right across into support, completing the reverse head and shoulders at support. Watch the trend changes. Pop across into support. Nice. VIB, these things are going to take off. You need to get your guns ready. Get your triggers all cleaned up. Very nice patterns forming. Very nice. So this one had a nice run. Now it's consolidating. Let's see if we can stay in a bull market, or is this going to have an intermediate trend change coming back into support. This is our 34 SMA. That's our good trend. So let it come back in if it needs to. Looks like it ran pretty well. Same on this wing. Little accumulation pop. Came back in. Nice little J curve forming. Pop, 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 pop. Here it comes. Pop across into support. Pop across into support. Buy your support, sell your resistance. XCM, not sure about this yet. It has a little bit of room to come back into support. And a nice little run. Here's into resistance, back into support. It's got a little bit more work to do. But I got a 2-bar reversal showing. 2-bar reversal. XRP, everyone's talking about XRP, blah, blah, blah. Trade the hell out of it. Nice pop, come back into support. Had a nice ascending triangle. Pop, pop. It's coming in. Follow the trend. Pop, 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 pop. Into resistance, back into support, into resistance, back into support, pop. That's a nice, very nice pattern. Could get something out of that. These are daily charts, so it could take days, weeks, who knows. But I got 2-bar patterns showing on these for support, so take the confirmation candles. If it breaks above the 2-bar reversals, use the 2-bar reversals as your support. Watch it run across. Same. Pop, pop, pop. Don't know about that one yet, but if it follows the same rules, I got a whipsaw forming. Look at that nice left shoulder head, right shoulder coming in. Nice, very sleek. Zcash, little privacy coin that should do very well in the next bull run. Little Zen, pop across coming into support, and very nice. Pop across coming into support, 2-bar reversal. Look at the launch, the launching pad. Resistance, resistance, launching pad. Boom! That looks good. Nice consolidated effort. J curve. Pop across into support, 2-bar reversal right over support. On and on and on and on. Very nicely done. So, follow me at minds.com. I'm awoke1. Follow me at Dtube. This is where we can make some money if anyone's interested, and Steam it. I still got all my shares from the last bull run, so I plan on building. Build. And then again, I'm going to invite everyone to join this little Discord. We have voice and text. We can share charts. We can talk about it. It's very exciting. So I'll see you guys. Appreciate you coming by. Hopefully I can do shorter, quicker, easier videos. But I don't know how many charts we went through, but 35 minutes is not so bad. I appreciate you guys.